All right, beautiful people. So I'm making a quick video on how to make ratio charts. So I'm getting some confusion on how to make ratio charts. So I want to make sure you guys know how to make ratio charts and you guys are seeing the pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to come up with a ratio. I'm just making one random. Oh wait, let me show you Lulu. This is Lulu. Lulu's so cute. Okay, all right, back to ratios. Oh, Lulu's so cute. Okay, go away. All right, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna give you a random ratio. Let's just go with 1 to 2. That's the ratio I'm gonna work with, 1 to 2. And I'm gonna show you how to make this chart. And let's say this is talking about, just gonna make something up, cats to dogs. Say I have 1 cat for every 2 dogs. So this is how I show that ratio relationship. So I just make a ratio chart, like a little T table. Call it T table because it looks like a T. Yeah. And then on one side, I'm going to label it C for cats. And the other side, I'm going to label it D for dogs. And first part's easy. There is 1 cat for every 2 dogs. So this is the part where I think kids are getting hung up or like lost. So what do you do next? So usually what I do is I just like add 1. So you see how this side has a 1 on it? So I'm just going to go ahead and count by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse my writing. And then I'll even do 1 more. 5. So on this side of the column, though, it's not counting by 1s. Since there's a 2 here, I'm going to count by 2s. So it's going to actually be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And what this basically means, this ratio chart is helping me organize the information. For every 1 cat, there are 2 dogs. So if I had two cats, that means there are 4 dogs. Because with that said, for every 1, there would be 2. I hope this makes more sense. There's my cat Otis. All these animals are coming around. Meow, meow. Okay, go away, Otis. All right, I'm gonna just show you one more chart, and I'm gonna choose a different ratio. And this time, I'm gonna compare 2 things. Let's say cars to trucks. Okay, I'm comparing cars to trucks. And let's say for every 3 cars, there are 5 trucks. So now I'm going to set up this ratio table. All right, so again, using the T chart. And I'm setting up the ratio table. And again, this is cars. I'm putting a C for cars, and I'm putting a T for trucks. So again, the first ratio is always the easiest because it's already done, 3 to 5. Now notice in this column, I'm counting by 3s because it's number 3. So I'm just going to count by 3s as I go down this chart. So it's like skip counting. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. All right. And if I go to the other side, I'm counting by 5s because this is the 5 right here. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Hopefully this is helpful for people who are struggling to make ratio charts. If not, please comment below and I'll try to answer your questions. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.